Supercars are to be considered the Hollywood superstars of the road. They typically include luxury and wild performance. For every supercar company, there's mind-boggling aspects of engineering and design aesthetics, but most of all, prices that will make even the wealthiest twirl their hairs or mustache. Well, it depends. Today's video is about the Italian manufacturer Lamborghini, its legacy and history of success, and of course, how that beast of a company is doing financially. On April 28, 1916, Ferruccio Lamborghini, the founder of the company that bears his name and is known for stylish high-performance cars, was born in the Emilia-Romagna region of northern Italy. After World War II, Lamborghini founded a business making tractors from reconfigured surplus military machines near Bologna, Italy. He later expanded into other ventures, including manufacturing air conditioning and heating systems. His business was blooming, and by that time he was already rich. Lamborghini's success enabled him to purchase a variety of luxury sports cars, including a Ferrari, which was considered one of the top cars at the time. After experiencing mechanical difficulties with his Ferrari, Lamborghini decided to start his own rival sports car company, even hiring a former top Ferrari engineer. Automobili Lamborghini was officially established in 1963 in Sant'Agata, Bolognese, Italy. The same year, the company debuted its first car, the Lamborghini 350 GTV, a two-seater coupe with a V12 engine. Lamborghini grew rapidly during its first 10 years, but sales fell in the wake of the 1973 worldwide financial downturn and the oil crisis. Ferruccio sold the company to Georges-Henri Rossetti and René Limay and retired in 1974. The company went bankrupt in 1978 and was placed in the receivership of brothers Jean-Claude and Patrick Mimran in 1980. The brothers purchased the company out of receivership by 1984 and invested heavily in its expansion. Under their management, Lamborghini's model line was expanded from the Countach to include the Alba sports car and the LM002 high-performance off-road vehicle. They eventually sold Lamborghini to the Chrysler Corporation in 1987. After replacing the Countach with the Diablo and discounting the Alpa and the LM002, Chrysler sold Lamborghini to Malaysian investments group Mycomsetco and Indonesian group V-Power Corporation in 1994. In 1998, Mycomsetco and V-Power sold Lamborghini to the Volkswagen Group, where it was placed under the control of the group's Audi Division. New products and model lines were introduced to the brand's portfolio and brought to the market, and saw an increased productivity for the company. In the late 2000s, during the worldwide financial crisis and the subsequent economic crisis, Lamborghini sales saw a drop of nearly 50%. With 157 dealers serving 50 countries, worldwide deliveries to customers in 2018 increased from 3,815 to 5,750 units. Thus, since 2010, the company has more than quadrupled its sales numbers. Beyond sales figures, Lamborghini outperformed all other key business objectives in 2018. The USA remains the largest single market, followed by the UK, Japan, Germany, Greater China, Canada, and Italy. All these markets increased deliveries substantially and mark national historic sales levels. Lamborghini controls 5 principal subsidiaries, starting with motorcycle manufacturer Ducati and Ital-designed Giugiaro, a 90.1% owned design and prototyping firm that provides services to the entire Volkswagen Group. MML SPA, Motori Marini Lamborghini, a manufacturer of marine engine blocks, and Volkswagen Group Italia, formerly Autogerma, which sells Audi and other Volkswagen Group vehicles in Italy. The latest financial report shows that the company had a total revenue of 586 million euros in 2014, a net income of 10.1 million, and a total equity of 1.832 billion euros. The Sant'Agata Bolognese-based manufacturer has around 1,779 employees. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications for more interesting financial stories. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.